Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make table of figures or tables in Microsoft Word. So in this overall video, you are going to see how to correctly number figure or table, that is by automated process, and a shortcut for numbering them, then how to cross-refer them in your Word document, and lastly how to make table of figures. So to make table of figures, you need to do step number 1 correctly. If you don't do it, then you have to make table of figures or tables manually, and that is just a cumbersome task. So in this video I'm going to show you all the shortcuts and the fastest way to do all these things, right? So let us start. Let us say this is my sample document. It will have a couple of figures and tables, and to make a table of figures you have to correctly give figure number. So you simply don't have to type figure number manually, because if you do that, table of figures will not get generated automatically and you have to manually do it. So the correct way to give figure number is this. First of all, place your cursor where you want to give a figure number or table number. Then go to the reference tab and here click on insert caption. Now caption window, you have to select the label that you want to give. So this is my figure. So I'm going to select figure from this thing. Now if your label is not available here, or if you want to give a different label, you can click on new label and then type in the label. So that will be used as a label instead of this 3. I'm going to go ahead with the sample label that is available, that is figure. Now if you want to exclude label from the caption, so this is a preview of a caption that you are going to get. Now in this caption, if you want to remove or exclude label, then you check this box. I'm going to retain this figure or label in this caption. You have an option to format the numbering of the label as well. To do that, click on numbering, and in the caption numbering you can format the number as 1 2 3 ABCD or Roman numerals. Select the one as per your need, and you also can include a chapter number along with this numbering. So right now it is currently checked, that's why you're getting 1.1. Now if you don't want to include chapter number, you just uncheck this box and click OK, so your caption will get updated. Now if you want to include chapter number, you check this box and there are a couple of options that you can set here. So in chapter number, the chapter number starts with the style. You can select the style where the chapter number starts with. So here it is heading number 1. You can specify the separator that separates chapter number and figure number. So you can have separator as dot, hyphen, colon, and many other things. So you can try the one that best suits you. So I'm going to go ahead with the period and then click OK. So this is my figure number, and that's it. Click OK and you get a figure number. Now the format of this figure number is something different, so you change the format as per your need, right? I will centerline it. You can also go ahead, update style of the caption by selecting this, going to styles and then right click it and click update caption to match selection. So now the caption style has become this, so don't have to worry about the styles later. Once this is done, once you have formatted figure number, you don't have to repeat all this process again and again. You can create a shortcut. For example, I have created a shortcut. I'll show you. So to get this figure number, you just have to type a shortcut text, and my shortcut text is FIGCAP1 and press space and get a figure caption. Now this 2 has come here because the chapter number has become 2 for this figure, and this is the first figure of the second chapter. To use this shortcut, you have to do one-time procedure, and the process is like that. Select the figure number that is automated, right, that we just got by going to reference tab and then insert caption and all those things. Then go to files, options, proofing, autocorrect, and here select formatted text, and here the short text that you want to replace with a figure number, right? So I'm going to type FIG. My earlier was figure cap 1 that you can see here, but right now let us say I'm going to create a new one, FIG num. I place 1 such that I know that this contains numbering of heading level 1. You can use your own text for this shortcut. So after it is done, click add, OK, and then OK. Do it. Now let us check whether this is working properly. So I'll just place my cursor here where I want to number this figure, and I will type the shortcut text, that is FIG figure num 1, and the moment you press space you get a figure number automatically. So you can do this for figure FIG NUM 1. Now This shortcut will remain in your Word even after you close this document. You can do the same thing for table also. For numbering table, you just have to go to reference tab, insert caption, and from this label you select table. All the following option that was available for figure is also available for table as well. So you can go ahead and check all those things. Now this is table 2.1, and you can also create a shortcut for this table. Same thing, Control C, going home, options, proofing, autocorrect, and you again have to make sure that formatted text is selected, and here I'll click on replace. Okay, because it was already there. So here I'll type num1 and you get a table number. So this was about how to insert figure number or figure caption or table number and table captions. This is sufficient for you to make a table of figures or table of tables or list of tables, right? Now one more bonus tip is, like, let us say you want to insert a cross-reference for some figure. So you need not type figure figure 1.1 manually, because if you do so and the figure numbers get updated, so you have to manually update all the cross-reference. So the shortcut way or the automated way to do that is go to the reference tab and then click on cross-reference that is just beside insert caption, and then from the cross-reference select the item. For example, here I want to cross-refer figure. Select figure from the reference type, then select the figures from the list of available items, and then you can select whether you want to insert entire caption or only label and number or caption text or page number or above below. So these are the 5 options that you can automatically cross-refer, right? So here I want to refer only label and number, so I select that, click insert, and that's it. So if this figure number gets updated in future, this cross-reference also will get updated automatically. So we are all ready for table of figures. Now to make table of figures, place your cursor where you want to have it, then go to reference tab and then click on the table of figures. So this open table of figures window, and from here you can insert table of figures or table of tables or list of tables accordingly. To insert table of figures, in the caption label select figure, and this is a preview window where you can see how it will appear. So this is figure and this is figure caption and this is page number, right? So you have a couple of options that you can modify. First of all, if you don't want to show page number, you can uncheck the box and then you can see the page number disappeared. Second option is right line page number. I really like this option, right? So if you don't want to right line page number, then you can uncheck this box and the page number will be just beside your caption. I like right line page number, and you have a tab reader, so you can see that this dots, right? So these are the dot that separates caption and page number. So you can either completely remove these dots by selecting none as a tab reader, or you can change tab reader to one of them. So I prefer this dot. These are few of the options that you can set for table of figures. Once this is done, click OK and you get a table of figures. Process is similar for getting list of tables. So I'll quickly show you how to get list of tables. Again, you have to go to insert table of figures, and from this caption select table. You set all these options, page number, right line page number, and tab reader, and once this is done, click OK and you get this list of figures and list of tables. So this is how you get list of figures and tables in Microsoft Word. So that's it in this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if that's the case, please let me know by pressing the like button or in the comments. And if you want to see more such videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification icon if you want to get notified whenever I publish a new video.